Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA-NUENDTAB. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part C, one part D, one part 1, and the provided Allen key. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part B and 4 parts number 2. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing one part A and 4 parts number 3. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts for our feet. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our last step, we'll be needing one part E. Let's assemble now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our LSA-NUENDTAB. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and products. Thank you.